Assalamualaikum. My name is Shahira. Welcome to our MAT112 group presentation. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about two topics, which is compound interest and annuity. So, let's get started.
What is compound interest? Compound interest is based on the principle which change from time to time. Interest that is earned is compounded or converted into principal and earned interest. Hence, the interest will increase from time to time. So what is the formula for compound interest? The formula for compound interest is S equal to P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket N. S equal to maturity value, P for principal, and bracket 1 plus K equal to K% of interest rate compounded M times in a year, which is nominal rates. M is frequency of the interest is compounded in a year, and bracket N equal to total number of time interest calculated during the investment or loan period. So N, which needs to use M times T. After the down payment with 10%, we get to 8,580 ringgit. With 85,800 ringgit minus 8,580 ringgit Malaysia equal to 77,220 ringgit. This is for principal. So we move to the formula. S equal to principal bracket 1 plus K over M bracket N. So fill in with the information. 70,000 ringgit, 220 ringgit, bracket 1 plus 0.0388% per 12, bracket 60. What is 60? 60 equal to N, which is equal to years, 5 years times 12 months, equal to 60. So overall, the total is 93,723 ringgit and 18 cents.
So, let's try to solve these questions. Since this is a special case, there will be two P because her first year she deposited 5,000 in her account. After 2 years, she decided to invest another 3,000 in her account. So the first P is 5,000 and the second P is 3,000. The interest rate given is 3.75%. The M given is 2 because the bank is compounded semi-annually, and T is also we have 2 because the first 2 years and the last 3 years she invests in her account. So after we identify the parts, we can use it in the formula. So as you can see in this picture, I have already written it in the formula. So let's calculate it. Since it's a kind of long equation, we must calculate it in steps. First, we calculate it. We divide it first. In the bracket, 0.0375, we divide it by 2. After we divide it by 2, we must plus with 1, and we power it with 4. After that, times it with 5,000. So, the first S we will get is 5,385.68 ringgit. The power of N, why we use 4? It is because we times 2 with 2, which is M times T. After we get the value, then we will calculate the total balance. Since her third year, she added more. So the balance we get, we plus it with 3,000. Then we will get 8,385.68 cents. After that, we will use the total balance and use it in the same formula, but with different time. The power of N, we must times it with 3. Because it is now 3 years, she invests in her account in 3 years. As we will get 9,374.41 ringgit. So that is the maturity value on her account after 5 years she invested in her account.
The next topic is annuity. Annuity is a series of equal payments or deposits made at regular intervals or period. There's 4 types of annuity, which is annuity due, annuity certain, general annuity, and perpetuity. Which one do you guys think that we are going to use? Yes, it's annuity certain. Few situations stated that using annuity, but we are going to touch only one situation, which is installment payment that require the customer making periodic payments. As for the formula, we have 2 formulas used in annuity. The first one is normally for total savings and accumulated amount of unpaid payment, which is S equal to R bracket of 1 plus I power of N minus 1 power over I. S is the future value, R is the periodic payment, I is the interest compounded at each period. The second one is normally for loan and settle the debt early, which is A equal to R bracket of 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative N over I. A is for the present value, R is the periodic payment, and N is the number of payments, while I is the periodic interest rate. Question 1. Emilia bought a Honda City for 29,800 ringgit. She made 10% down payment and financed the balance through a bank for 5 years. The interest rate charged was 3.5% compounded monthly. Now, let's list out the information stated. We can find A by deduct the down payment amount. So, A is equal to Rm 29,800 minus Rm 29,800 times 0.1 equals to Rm 26,820, while T is 5 years and R is 0.035. The question is, calculate the monthly payment and the total interest. Let's find the monthly payment by using present value formula. So, Rm 26,820 is equal to R bracket of 1 minus 1 plus 0.035 per 12 power of negative 60 over 0.035 per 12. Then calculate the bracket and we got Rm 26,820 equals to 0.160329131 over 7 per 2,400 R. Then settle it off. R is equal to 26,820 ringgit divided by 0.160329131 over 7 per 2,400, and we got R, or the monthly payment, is 487 ringgit 90 cents. Next, we need to calculate the interest charge by using I equals to NR minus A. So, I is equal to 60 times 487 ringgit 90 cents minus 26,820. And the final answer is Rm 2,454 ringgit.
Hi, my name is Nur Kashuna and I'm going to discuss about question 2 annuity. So the question is, Isaac made a loan of Rm 238,000 ringgit from a CIMB bank that charged 2.7% compounded monthly to pay for a new car. He paid Rm 2,739 ringgit 20 cents monthly for 9 years to settle the loan. He wished to settle the balance of the loan immediately after paying the last payment on the 7th year. So the question is, what is the outstanding balance need to be paid? So overall, total is 9 years and Isaac already paid for 7 years. And the balance is 2 years, which is 9 years divided to 7 years. And N equals to 24. It is because the balance is 2 years. So 1 year is equals to 12. N equals to 12, while the 2 years N equals to 24. So monthly payment is R, which is Rm 2,739 ringgit 20 cents, and C equals to 0.027 over 24. And the equation is A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus C bracket minus power of N over I M bracket. So we just put all the information into the equation, which is A equals to 2,739 ringgit 20 cents, and a bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.027 over 24 bracket power of negative 24 over 0.027 over 24 M bracket. And the answer is Rm 64,825 ringgit 27 cents. That's it.
I guess that is all from us. May you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching and bye!